Hi, good evening to all. Today we are going to look at an important topic of business statistics. Under this subject we are going to look at the unit of a correlation. Under this unit we need to solve one problem as per the method of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. This method is usually to calculate the qualitative data. If the data is given in quantitative, we need to apply Carl Pearson's method. But sometimes we get the data in qualitative term. That time we need to apply the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. The data is given here as per the accountancy and the statistic headings. These data we need to consider as marks, not rank. According to this marks, we need to provide rank as per the mark. So now we are going to look at the solution of this problem. The title would be the calculation of a rank correlation. The first two columns we have copied from the problem as it is given in the problem. The next column we need to name it as R1. R1 denotes of the accountancy rank. We need to provide the rank as per the marks, as per the accountancy marks. First of all, we need to look at the lowest value of these marks. Here the lowest value is not 12. So we need to provide the first rank to that mark holder. Then second, the lowest value is 15. So we need to provide the second rank to him. The next we need to provide third rank. But the problem is here the mark holder of 20 here is 2 students. So we need to get average third and fourth. Then we need to provide third and fourth rank. For that we need to calculate the average of the 3 plus 4 divided by 2. We can get 3.5. So we need to give the third and fourth rank as 3.5. Whoever got the mark of 20, we need to provide 3.5. So fourth rank is over. Now we are going to move to provide fifth rank. Fifth rank provide to the 20 mark holder. Sixth rank is going to provide the fourth mark holder, 14th mark holder. The 17th rank is given to the mark holder of 60. And the 8th rank is given to the mark holder of 80. Now we are going to move to the R2. R2 denotes for the statistic rank holder. Here is the first and the lowest value is 10. So we need to provide first rank to that guy. Then second rank is for the mark holder of 20. But the third rank we need to give to 3 guys because here is 3 guys got the 30 mark. So we need to 3 plus 4 plus fifth rank we need to divide So we need to get the average of these three values. So 4 we need to give for third rank, fourth rank and fifth rank as 4. So 3, 4, 5 finished. Now we need to provide the 6th rank to the mark holder of 40. 7th rank is given to the mark holder of 50. The 8th rank is given to the mark holder of 60. Then need to prepare the difference column. Difference is equal to R1 minus R2. Just subtract R1 from R2. We need to get these values. Then we need to square this column as the T2 column. Finally we need to total them as the summation T squared equal to 81.50. Now we need to calculate the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. This is the formula for the calculation of a correlation coefficient under the Spearman's rank method. Rs equal to 1 minus 6 summation T squared plus 1 by 12 n cube minus n plus 1 by 12 n cube minus n divide n3 minus n. Here we got only two kinds of data. Sometimes we get so many kinds of data. According to that we need to expand the formula. Here is the first n cube minus n represents the how many common data we get. The first R1 column we can get two common values. The second the statistics rank we got three common values. That's why we put 2 cube minus 2 as well as 3 cube minus 3. If you simplify this formula after applying the appropriate values, we can get the solution as R is equal to 0, which means there is no common relation between the marks obtained in the accountancy and the statistics. It is our final conclusion. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.